So we have move tool, you have razor tool, you have rectangle tool, you have ellipse tool, and then you have polygon tool. So I'll click ellipse tool. Then the next step, I'll press Alt key, hold, and then I'll draw my circle with like that. So I'll click the move tool here. This is a move tool. I'm a select tool. So I'll drag it into the top of my head like this one. Yeah. So the next step, make sure that the length of my circle is the same with the length of my talking head shot here, and then my documentation, my presentation document here, right? So the next step, now you can see here. So the next step I'll do, I will go to the effects panel, and then we have two effects. We have offset effects, and then the track matte key effects. So I'll click here, I'll search here, this is the search place, offset, and then I'll drag offset to my video, the one I want to make it a circle here, and then I'll go to pick my second effect called track matte key, and then I'll drag it here, right? So I'll open effect control panel here. Now we can see here we have crop tool, we have crop right, bottom, but I'll go to my track matte key. So offset or effects is just to make sure that maybe your video is okay. We shall create that circle. So ndani hapa kwa matte, and I click none. I'll see where is my graphic circle. Circle yangu iko kwa which layer? We have 2, 3, 4. We have layer 1, 2, 3, 4. So here iko kwa layer 4. So I'll just click 4. Boom. So that's my circle. But I want to put a stroke, a different color around the circle. So one thing I'll do is I'll duplicate my circle layer. So what I shall do is let me enlarge my timeline here. Just simple, right? And then I'll duplicate this layer here. Maybe let's see, let's pull this, drag this down, and then I'll press Alt, right, and then I'll drag down it. So this is the way to duplicate any footage kwa Premiere Pro. We press Alt hold, and then you move it up or down in a duplicate to yenyewe. So we have this one here. So what I shall do, I'll go to property, or double click here, and then the property itajitoka, the property panel itatokea, and then I'll click my shape. Because I want the stroke around my circle, so I'll unclick fill, right, and then I'll click stroke here. Then I'll choose maybe color. Let's say put maybe which color? Yeah, let me put red. Red, orange. Yeah. Then I'll just maybe increase my stroke like this. Still. Right. So already uko na circle yako mene. So if I want to access the 3 layers, I'll double click it here, right? So zitatokea hapo zote 3 layers. So I'll go into my shot here, my sequence I mean. So this circle is too big, and then also I want to put it on the left or my right. So I'll go to my effects control panel, and then scale. We have scale here and the position. So the position is to position the footage either left, right, ama top, ama down, ama you have to scale it in, ama scale it out, right? So one thing I'll do is I'll click here to my next sequence, and I'll go to scale. I'll scale it kidogo, yeah, like that one, and then I'll go to position. I want to position it in the left side, yeah, and then I'll position it down on kidogo, So if I'm explaining something silent ama tunu, so right, the title that is my logline. Kama ulimisi episode 1, go to our TikTok page. So this is the just easiest way to create maybe a circle video, to create if you want to present your video presentation, and at the same time you want to create a circle video, a rectangle video, a polygon video. This is the way to go.